Peace, 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 family. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth. Peace, love, light, and healing to everybody out there. Back at it with another video for you guys. This one is a woman is forced to evacuate the plane over a Louis Vuitton bag. All right. So before we get to the video, I'd just like to say thank you for getting me up past 1,000 subs. Now we just got to get those 4,000 watch hours, and good things will come from there. We're halfway there already for the 4,000 watch hours. So thank you again for the support and continued support. Remember, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, comment, like, subscribe to the video. We do have a free giveaway coming up since we reached the 1,000 subscribers. So we will be giving out 3 free sweaters to 3 lucky winners. We will be doing that live, me and Big Bro Foosh. All right. So you know who it is. Joe Jerome in the house, in your mouth. Ooh, ooh. I say ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's start the video right now, because this looks like it's about to go down.
I have no name. Relax. Look, okay, look. Figure it out. Ma'am, you don't want to talk to them, don't worry. Talk to me, okay? Ma'am.
On March 21st, 2023, passengers had finished boarding a Frontier Airlines flight at Miami International Airport bound for Philadelphia when a dispute broke out. A woman became involved in a verbal altercation with another passenger after her Louis Vuitton bag was accidentally scratched while being placed in the overhead bin. Despite multiple requests from the flight crew to exit the aircraft, she refused to comply. At one point, she even threatened a flight attendant, suggesting the possibility of kidnapping and abuse. Law enforcement officers arrived and instructed her to leave the plane, but she continued to refuse. As a result, all passengers were ultimately required to deplane.
Got it?
Over a Louis Vuitton bag?
Let's go. What's wrong with you?
Because you're making me uncomfortable.
Calm down.
No.
You're under arrest.
For what?
We'll let you know right now. Come on. We're going to get the other.
You're choking me. Talaya! Okay. I'm choked. Can I be not?
Nobody's choking you. Relax. Can you relax?
Can you relax?
I'm telling you, I'm fine.
You're not.
You're not one acting
Look at my
crazy.
arm. Look at my arm.
Because you're acting crazy.
No, I came off the plane by myself. You didn't come and get me off the plane.
Lady, we already told you you were under arrest.
No, you did not. They told me I had to get off the plane.
Right now.
Excuse me. They told me I had to board. They didn't tell me I had to. Can I please? Can you let go of me like this? Excuse me, sir.
Calm down.
I am a sergeant.
Calm down. You're not acting. You're not acting like someone who's been.
You're not either. You're not either.
You're under
If you were
arrest
acting
now.
like it,
Calm down.
Excuse me.
I don't want to talk to you. Calm down. Calm down. What's wrong with you? All right.
I'm choking! I'm choking! Let go of me.
Anthem, like you see I'm not drunk. I'm completely sober. What's wrong? He just told me she's kicked off. I don't know why I'm being arrested. I'm sober.
Yes, you are.
Brian, I tried to calm her down.
I see
I calmed her
stars.
down. I'm not screaming.
I'm not screaming.
I'm sober.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you hold me? A man can hold me, but not a man. Look at how. No, I will. I am not high. Look, I'm not high. Look at how he's holding me. He's trying to still detain me. Ma'am, I've been an officer my whole life. You bitch, I'll spit on you. I'll give you fucking killed. Your pussy. I have no name.
Relax. Look, okay, look.
Figure it out. Ma'am,
You don't want to talk to them, don't worry. Talk to me, okay?
ma'am, can I speak to you? Can you come over here? Can we move around? You guys can both hold me. Move me away because I'm going to smack the shit and I will break out of this as quick as you ever think. I live too much.
Listen, you're gonna get more charges for no reason.
We know what you understand. We got no charges.
You're gonna get more charges.
Everybody on the plane has no issue with us. Can you listen to me?
Listen, you ain't talking.
Can I be let go of? I'm very uncomfortable. Can you let go of? Can I be in the space to walk so that you guys can come like this?
Yo, it's so much chaos, so much chaotic mess going on right now. You got 2 passengers arguing with about, looks like 6 to 8 cops, getting kicked off a plane over a Louis Vuitton bag. Is it worth it? I just want to know, is it worth it? And if it is worth it, is it even a real Louis Vuitton bag? Because a real Louis Vuitton bag wouldn't scratch, right? Real leather, I believe. I mean, if it's leather or suede or whatever it is, but you getting kicked off a Frontier airplane over a $3,000 to $5,000 Louis Vuitton bag. Like, get your priorities straight. Do you want to go home, or do you want to just act bold and bad because you got a Louis Vuitton bag? Like, a lot of people got Louis Vuitton bags. I don't mean they all real, but you causing a whole scene. You then got kicked off the airplane. Not only you got kicked off the airplane, you just caused a whole flight to not even take off because you wanted to show your ass in front of everybody over a bag, and then threaten them, and then turn around and say, I'm a sergeant in the Army, so you need to calm down. Like, that all this is so much right now. Like, how could you get to this point, be embarrassed in front of everybody, and then act like the victim because you don't know how to shut up? It don't make no sense, man. Some people just don't know when to be quiet. And if you're a sergeant in the Army, you would assume she would know how to keep herself in check, because she can see a situation getting escalated, unless she's intoxicated. But it don't seem like it.
I'm not trying to run. How can I fight with my hands like this? I feel intact. It's intact. Look, that was perfectly fine. Can I speak? Nobody has said anything to anybody. So why am I detained?
Because what happened was they told you guys to get off the plane. You guys refused to get off the plane. I was not in there, but that's what they're saying.
No, we did not refuse. Even the airport, the people that were sitting next to us said, why are they trying to kick you off? You can go on and ask everyone.
Yeah, but you have to understand, whenever the airlines told you to get off,
I'm retired Army. I understood. I get every baggage free. I get loaded for free. Why would I act any way? Please tell me. If that was free because I was kicked off, how would you act? It doesn't justify anything, but it's justify you acting like this? When I fight for your freedom, you don't fight for my freedom like I fight for your freedom. I've shot, I've had die right in front of me. Let's be real. I've seen die anymore. That's not fair.
Okay, just relax and let them figure it out. Just relax.
Mommy, so figure it out for them to do this. I've never been arrested. You can look at my record. I've never been arrested like this. You want to take a picture for my photos? No, take a picture. I need a picture.
Now you're not being reasonable.
I am being reasonable. I need a picture of my Instagram so they know why I'm not home at my party tonight, that I have to be at, that I got paid $3,000 for it. Thank you. Nobody on the plane said nothing. If anything, I should be arrested, not her, because she's not nothing. We're not talking about listening. I don't feel comfortable talking to those two. I feel comfortable talking to you.
He told me to help her. Okay, until we further investigate what's going on.
He is a weirdo.
No.
for some reason they wanted you off the plane and you didn't want to get off.
I didn't refuse to get off. When they told me to get off the plane, they told you guys were already here. You can ask them yourself. I never refused to get. Why would I refuse to get off if I can get on another flight? What sense does that make? You guys are detaining us to keep us from acting violent, but you don't understand this makes us more acting more violent. I'm an Army veteran. I understand how to control my anger. That's why before, when I got on here, when the guy was being smart about veterans, he was like, "Oh, you can't board." I said, "Yes, I can. With Frontier, you can." Not every. Are you listening to me or no?
I am. I'm trying to make sure she's okay.
Go ahead. We're not going to be going. If we're not together, we're not both good. My hands are on one. I will definitely sue you guys. Not you, but I will definitely sue you. Miami-Dade Police report.
There's no flights. It's spring break. There's no flights to get home.
My bags are still on the plane. Two Louis bags. Yes, two. I don't know.
Well, your boarding pass, I can't see my phone.
Good luck. I'm not letting you touch my shit. I didn't even yell. I didn't even hit nobody. I'm not
Wait, I'm gonna. Hey, you said you was a.
I don't care. Just get me out of here. I don't want my clothes. I don't want that shit. I want to go home. I don't want that. I want to go home. I've been trying to go home for 2 days. My best friend died in front of my hotel. What the f is wrong with y'all? Y'all are sick. You're sick. I thought you would be different. You're sick. You're sick.
your bags right there.
Even everybody else, I didn't. You can ask everyone sitting next to me. They're having me hold their babies. Why would they have me hold their babies if I wasn't a good person? I hate all y'all. No, get off me.
We're gonna walk. Come on. Don't make it harder than what it has to be. Come on.
You're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get hurt. Yeah, I got it, Benny. You got it?
Yeah.
You're on the stairs. Don't knock up.
There's so much going on, sir. So she paid $3,000 to go to a party, but you flying Frontier. You better be flying first class if you got a Louis Vuitton bag and you paid $3,000 to go to a party. On top of that, you trying to get home because supposedly your friend got shot in front of you. So did they get shot in front of you at the party? Did they get shot in front of you? Where at? Because that just came out of nowhere. You switch stories. You switch from being the victim to like, I just want to go home, to like, y'all are treating me wrong and I want to go home. I think when she realized she was going to jail, you know, that's when she started crying and falling. She fell on the floor like kids do. You know, babies when they get when they mad or they want something, they just fall out. That's what she did. The legs stiffened up, the back got tight, and she just fell to the ground like they can't pick her up. You got 16,000 cops out there. You handcuffed. Your friend is trying to calm you down, and they arresting you. Like at this point, just count your losses, man. Like chalk it up. Just be calm. Go to the precinct, write up whatever they're going to write up and let you go. You ain't do nothing other than argue and cut somebody out over a stupid bag. Is it that important? Ladies, is a Louis Vuitton bag that important other than something to just floss and have on your shoulder and be like, look, I got a Louis. Like nobody really cares. In this age now, people don't care about name brand stuff. You got people now buying stuff out of Walmart, making it look like it's high fashion stuff. People walk around in Asics and stuff. Asics back in the day was the cheap stuff, and it still is, I guess. But now everybody's wearing it. Everybody wearing the grandma shoes, the old granddaddy Nikes and stuff. All that old stuff that we used to wear back in the 80s and 90s is now popular. That Louis Vuitton and all that stuff ain't popular no more. It's just a flex for yourself to make yourself feel more confident or important or like you got money. And I don't know what kind of party you going to that you paid $3,000 to go to, but if ain't no celebrities there, if you ain't getting no perks out of it, what's the point? Just to say it? Because she threw it out there like it was a bit. I paid $3,000 to go to a party. I'd have been like, you a damn fool too, stupid. Your $3,000 could have got you another plane ticket home, or at least first class.
Get one foot, and I'm gonna get the other.
That don't help. Screaming like that don't help.
I can't breathe. No, I can't. I'm not being funny.
Wait on the leg restraints. You heard, Benny?
It's embarrassing, man.
My hair!
If you open this door, it'll make your life easier.
I get the flight number, destination, Philadelphia, right?
Yes. Flight number is 2326.
You said she's an Army veteran, right?
No, yeah, no. She was saying that to me the whole time.
23, 26?
Yeah. She was telling me that.
She threatened her. I didn't know about this threat, but she
That's why I remember I looked at you and I did this. I said, come watch the front. And she said, well,
I didn't know that. I'm sorry.
She said she was going to kidnap you.
white lady.
But in like a sexual way, though. Yeah.
We already got your information.
What?
You don't only mine.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, well, I don't know what happened in the back, so if you
No,
guys
that's
need
fine.
that.
Just your party first. Whatever.
Just what you say for you.
It'll be an incident report.
Yeah, for
Don't
sure.
blame you.
Don't blame me? Alright, cool.
I
I am a woman.
I understand we don't have a tampon.
I am bleeding from my... Well, then you have to figure something out.
Ah, man, come on, man.
How am I gonna pee without a tampon?
Do you have one?
In my luggage that's not here, it's my carry-on. No, like my luggage that's checked. Not the luggage I have right here. You guys are so ghetto. I can't wait to see you.
Let's go.
No, I need a tampon. I don't
You do not have a tampon, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir. I don't feel comfortable getting out without a tampon because then you guys... Excuse me, sir. Because if I get out without a tampon and I ask you for a tampon, then you're going to say I'm antagonizing you and then I'm going to get arrested again. So what's the point of asking for cops' help? No, because when I asked for cops' help the first time, you guys arrested me.
You want to get out and pee or not?
I do, but I would rather pee right here and you guys clean it up at this point.
We're not going to clean it up. Listen,
It's not my problem. You guys will have
You want to pee on yourself?
It's not myself. I'm going to pee and I'm going to scoot over. That's
So you don't want to go use the bathroom?
I asked you with a tampon, but you're not
We don't have a
giving me
tampon. We do not have one.
find one. I'm a woman.
I cannot find one. I don't
You
have
didn't
one.
look. You did not look.
Where am I going to get one?
Oh my goodness, lady.
Well, there's no concierge here. It's not a hotel.
Well, then you better figure it out. You brought me here. I have a... There's no way you don't have tampons.
There's no way you don't have tampons.
Sir, I do.
Okay.
Oh, come on, cop.
We can get it from your
When,
back.
excuse me, sir, when I board from here, they give me that. When I go to the bathroom, excuse me, can I raise my hand and talk, or are you going to talk over me?
The carry-on's right here.
Can I talk now?
You've already talked enough.
When you board the airplane, they give... Here, I can help you. When you board the airplane, they give you... You're leaving her.
Huh? She doesn't want to get out? She said... She said she's not getting out without a tampon. I don't know...
The suspect was charged with 2 felony counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, 1 felony count of resisting an officer with violence, and 3 misdemeanor counts of assault on a police officer, along with a misdemeanor trespassing charge. She also received a lifetime ban from Frontier Airlines.
Oh, wow. Wow, all that over a scratched bag. So you save yourself the embarrassment, man. Like you all over the place. You had your period, you had to pee, you needed a tampon, but you wouldn't get out to pee, so you're gonna sit in the car and pee, but you're requesting them to give you a tampon so you don't bleed, but you rather sit on yourself and bleed. Like, make your mind up. Like, save yourself the embarrassment. They didn't carry you, just like you was carrying that big ass heavy Louis Vuitton bag. That's just how they carried you out the airplane. They put you around their shoulders. they packed you up and carried your ass all the way to the car. And now you sitting in jail. And on top of that, you got banned from Frontier. And they don't even know if you're lying about being a Army veteran. Like, what was the point of all that? She just didn't know. You could tell at the end of the video, too. Her flex of winning was just talking down to the cops or trying to hurt their feelings by degrading them. And you only degraded yourself because you embarrassed yourself talking about, your womanly products that you need and how they're mistreating you. Is if all that is over a bag, you don't need the bag because that bag made you act unnatural. Like, it wasn't. That's horrible. That is horrible. You set yourself up for failure. And now you got charges and all that stuff too. So now you got a record over a Louis Vuitton bag. That better be real, because if it's not real, it wasn't worth it. I don't know, but another quick little short video. It was a bit chaotic, but I'm back at it with another one. We got another one coming to you soon. So peace to the gods, peace to the earth, peace, love, light, and healing. Peace and blessings to everybody out there. Joe Jerome's in the house, in your mouth. I say Jerome's in the house, in your mouth. Like, ooh, ooh. I say, ooh, ooh, ooh.